You may probably know that food and beverage services means establishments or places of business primarily engaged in the sale of prepared food and beverages for on-premises consumption. Typical uses include restaurants, cafes, fast food outlets, including drive-through or drive-in establishments, and taverns. Here are some types of service. 1. Table service. In this type of service, the guests enter the dining area and take seats. 2. Assisted service. Here, the guests enter the dining area, collect their plates, and go to buffet counters and help themselves. 3. Self-service. 4. Single-point service. 5. Special service. Food is typically something you eat with cutlery from a dish, although handheld foods such as burgers are the exception. A beverage is a liquid consumed from a vessel, either from the brim of the vessel or through a straw. Soup is considered food, but it may be consumed with a straw due to its liquid nature. And a Bloody Mary cocktail is widely accepted as a drink but could easily be consumed from a bowl with a spoon in the same manner as a soup. These are a few steps that I think may be useful to start a beverage company. Create a brand and a slogan for your beverage. Why is it so unique? Is it sparkling and fruit flavored? Is it sport oriented? Can it be drunk with a pizza? Decide the flavors of the beverage and make a formula that satisfies you and that presents a note of flavor that makes your beverage unique. Make your friends drink the beverage to see if your flavors are common or are only yours. Find some industry that can actually produce your product for a fee on the sold product. Prepare a presentation of the product to present to bars, supermarket chains, and all the stores you're interested in selling your beverage to. When you have the orders, produce the beverage. Here are some of the key strategies on how to grow a beverage business. 1. User-friendly mobile applications. Use mobile applications instead of websites. Make sure that your application is user-friendly so that people from each age group can use it comfortably. People tend to avoid complicated procedures. They would choose not to order rather than going through a long, complicated procedure. 2. Ensure easy and clear communication. Communication is one of the most important aspects of this business. If your delivery guy is not able to communicate easily and clearly with your customers, you lose a lot of points there. It could lead to misunderstandings, late deliveries, changed orders, etc. 3. Create easy to read and concise menu. Your customers should be able to navigate through the menus easily, and for that, you have to ensure that you create a clear and concise menu. Use pictures of the dishes on the menu to lure them. Also, offer the best sellers and combos on the menu to encourage larger orders. 4. Offer delivery tracking. People are curious and impatient. When you offer delivery tracking, they can see the status of their order and know how much time it will take for the food to get delivered. It will also assist you to assess staff performance and optimize travel routes. 5. Ensure fast delivery. If you want customer satisfaction, one of the best ways to do that is by giving them the fastest delivery possible. You know people are hungry when they place an order. Late deliveries would frustrate them and they may even cancel their order. It is better to inform your customer if their order going to be late due to any unavoidable circumstances. 6. Provide great service. Provide your users with an exceptional service which makes them come back to you again and again. Some points which you must keep in mind are hot food, safe packaging, fast delivery, etc. You can use insulated bags to keep the food hot and use airtight containers to prevent the food from spilling. 7. Use social media marketing. Most of the people spend their maximum time on social media. When you advertise on social media, you could lure your prospects with the help of an extraordinary picture of dishes. Your hungry prospects would lose their control and place an order instantly. 8. Take customer feedback. Taking customer feedback is essential to improve your services. and attract more customers. If you receive positive feedback, you would know that you are in the right direction. Negative feedback would mean that you need to work on your services and strategies. 9. Offer discounts to first-time users. If you want to attract new customers, try giving discounts on their first 3 orders. This would ensure customer acquisition, brand awareness, and prove to be a great way to shift your competitors' customers on your side. 10. Provide some extra incentive to your regular users. You should offer some extra incentive to your regular customers, such as extra discounts, coupon codes, etc. This would encourage brand loyalty and increase customer retention. When existing customers are satisfied, your business will automatically start growing when they recommend your services. It is the responsibility of the F&B department of the hotel to provide these services 24 hours to the guests. It is the second major revenue-producing department of the hotel, the first being the front office. Start category hotels have many food and beverage service outlets, such as luxury restaurants, specialty restaurants, coffee shops, cocktail bars, lounge and room services, and so on, to satisfy the different palates and needs of the guests, and banquet halls to organize functions and conferences. All these outlets are managed by the F&B department. One criterion considered by the guests while selecting a hotel for accommodation is the quality of food and the variety of cuisines offered by its restaurants, which adds value to the hotel. Hence, it is important for the F&B department to continuously explore the trends and eating habits of customers and deliver dishes which are well prepared and at the right temperature by trained staff. If the guests staying in the hotel are not satisfied with the quality and variety of food offered by its service outlets, they may dine out, thus the hotel loses an opportunity of making revenue. The F&B department is a complex operation involving highly specialized tasks. That's all for today. Hope you all understand how to grow your food and beverage production business. We will discuss another topic in our next videos. Thank you.